Good morning, Dave Parker with Compton EdTech once again. One of the more powerful features of the Canvas software is the ability to record yourself teaching a lesson on the screen. So your students can access this offline. Again, since Google Hub is our hub, Google Classroom is our hub, we can store this to Google Classroom. Students can go to Google Classroom, access it, watch the videos of our direct instruction or whatever else you want them to have, and then you can give them the ability to respond to it otherwise. So we're going to go through a quick session on how to record your teaching on the whiteboard itself. In order for this to engage and to work properly, you have to have the camera. The camera contains a microphone which will record your sound. We will cover recording. We will cover recording yourself in this mix as well at some other portion. But for right now, we just want to go ahead and record ourselves doing this. So what I'm going to do is, I have a start screen. I have a pen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the broken cue, as I call it. There's an arrow here to go up for more options. And I'm going to click start recording. That's going to give me a countdown on the screen. And after the countdown is over, I'm going to start with a simple direct instruction. So I'll click start, 3, 2, 1. And now it's recording me live as I write on the board. So I would say, okay, class, I want to add 2 to the second power plus 4 to the second power. What does that equal? We have to simplify our powers. So 2 times 2, we're going to go 4. And then 4 to the second power is going to be 16. So this will be a total of 20. And then we'll check. Once I'm done, I'll go back to my broken cue. I'll click stop recording. Up here in the upper right-hand corner, it shows me where that's going to store under Snowflake's recordings. So back to the broken cue, going back to desktop. And from the desktop, I'm going to go through my file menu. So here I am, Dave Parker. I'm going to double click that, go to my documents, go to Snowflake, because that's where I was. And remember, this stored in recordings. And here is the last thing I made. These store by date and recording. So 2020-904. And it shows me the time. So I'll play. And now it's recording me live as I write on the board. So I would say, okay, class, I want to add 2 to the second power plus 4 to the second power. And again, remember, that stores as a file right here in my on my Windows computer. Remember, your ClearTouch interactive panel has a full PC computer stored in that side panel. So it stores there, and anything I can get to my computer, I can upload into Google Drive or into Google Classroom for my students to use later. So I can take this file, drop it into my Google Classroom for my students to have access to as well. Thank you for watching.